The Wise Men is a story of the world 70,000 years ago, where the modern man did not possess the tools, technology, and thinking ability that exists today. It's a story of immense courage, determination, and integration, and will leave the reader questioning the principles of the modern day world.
The Legend of Fire. The story starts with our protagonist, who was wrongfully accused of a crime he didn't commit.
Quad vows that he will work his hardest to end circle and square discrimination if he survives. As he jumps into the cracks, he is taken through history from the time of the World Wars to the time of his accident. Will he be able to prevent the accident or end up dead for good?
I like what I am, said Rat Patterson to himself inside his little wooden house located on Butler Bay Beach in the Andaman. Slipping into his crispy linen shirt, he puts on his rusted goggles worn by anyone with 20/20 vision will soon be blind. But Rat Patterson consciously chooses to wear them. They provide him with the exact kind of blindness he needs to see things that aren't truly there.
Every person in the world has different privileges. A few days later, the robot says to the human in a metro that if you look around you, you will see people that have different lives. Some are rich, some are poor, some are happy, some are sad.
This story is about viewing the unjust practice of modern-day racism from an altogether different perspective. It is not their differences that divide them, it is their inability to recognize, accept, and celebrate those differences. We do not wish to subjugate a race that has subjugated itself.
Inaya. This is a story about a 9-year-old girl named Inaya. How will a 13-year-old handle so much grief? Her name is Inaya and she doesn't give up. She is the voice of the weak.